Well, the weather is not going to be joking too much. But you know what? We have to preface because we're still right on Lake Erie, okay? Sometimes it has a few tricks up its sleeves. Yes. But we've been enjoying the sunshine today. Yes, for sure we have. We also have had very warm temperatures. We met our average high today, folks. It was 69 degrees recorded at Cleveland Hopkins, though we began the morning in the upper 30s. So we began the morning at 39 degrees, 49 is the average, and we do have some shower activity and even a couple of thunderstorms to talk about. This is mainly in the Ozarks region right now. We are still in that springtime season where storm systems are running amok across the area before we begin to kind of balance things out. What have been working in our favor, though, has been the area of high pressure up to the north. As we make our way through tomorrow as well as Friday, that ridge will continue to build, and the heat will also continue to build right up through the Ohio River Valley, and that arrives for us tomorrow. So as we look at the regional temperatures, we start to reflect what is to come. We're not going to be looking in our rearview mirror. That mirror is going to be fairly small. The wind chill ahead will propel more 70s and 80s straight into the Buckeye State for tomorrow. So afternoon highs will likely be running some 10 to perhaps even 12 degrees above normal tomorrow, and then we scale those back a little bit. Variable winds across the area right now, still reflecting on that southern edge of that area of high pressure. So the numbers you can see here right now, 5 to 10 degrees above norm, will likely resemble that tomorrow. So we're going to be edging even warmer than what we are right now. So our temperatures are still holding strong. 69 degrees. Dry conditions still continue across the region. Overnight tonight, we're likely going to have a little bit of a southerly flow, but tomorrow at the surface, we're likely going to have a northerly flow, and I'll explain to you why that's happening. Here's where we're going to be for the rest of the evening, folks. An outdoor dinner is definitely going to be a must. Stargazers, also a big thumbs up for you tonight because we're going to have mainly clear skies. As a result, temperatures fall back into the upper 40s for some, maybe even staying around 50 degrees for others. But that outdoor plans for tomorrow is still looking pretty good. Around 8 a.m., look at our temperatures, still going to be in the low 50s there. We flip things over 10, 20 degrees warmer by noon, heading in towards 1 p.m. and remain in the 70s around 6, 7 p.m. So afternoon highs tomorrow, again, will likely be some upper 70s, others low 80s, but it's still, again, not that bad. Here's your National Design or hour-by-hour forecast for the rest of the evening. Mainly clear skies overnight tonight. We're going to have that southerly flow still impact us tomorrow morning, which is why we're going to be elevated tomorrow, but still near the average. Thursday morning around 8 a.m., mid to upper 50s expected. We pack in a little bit more cloud cover, but remember the high pressure is moving to the east. We're still going to be on the western side of that ridge. That ridge will throw even warmer temperatures into the mix. 6:30. Still around 80 degrees for the vast majority of the area, but Thursday night leading towards Friday, we start to develop an area low crawling through the mid-Mississippi River Valley area. That arrives to our area around mid to late morning on Friday. Beginning with heavy cloud cover on Friday morning, very mild temperatures. I think we'll have more 60s rather than 50s around 8, 9 a.m. for Friday morning. Then comes the rain that starts to envelop across the area and for all intents and purposes, could be leaning into the afternoon commute. So that drive at 5 could be a little bit of a wet one, but we're still going to contend with above normal conditions. Your next 72 hours, the bulk of the rain showers still will likely fan up to the northern coast, but still likely to range anywhere from a half inch, maybe up to an inch of rainfall. Here's your Union Home Mortgage 7-day outlook. Heading towards the weekend for mom, we have a few showers that could potentially lean over towards a few showers on Saturday, still in the upper 60s to low 70s. By Mother's Day Sunday, the forecast is starting to look a lot better. Sun and clouds expected, near normal conditions. That remains in place for Sunday into Monday, back into the 70s for a brief period on Tuesday, and then we kind of cool things back into the 60s by Wednesday.
Listen, I don't see any 30s, so I give it 2 thumbs up.
Okay, we'll take that.
Yes, I think we will.
Your nickname now is Ace. How's that?
I love it.
Very good, very good.
Look at you knocking them all out of the park.
This guy,
the man plays cards.
No,
don't bet any money with him.
He plays Uno. That's how to play that. But that's not gonna do anything.
That's a bit more than I even know.
There you go. Thanks, Jason.